excitement because I actually miss you guys so much. So much. I know I've been away for 5 weeks. Look how the hype is real. The hype is real, guys. And guess what? We finally wish 2,000 followers on YouTube. I know it's taking some time, but we're gonna get there. Thank you so much. So, guys, welcome. Try to say welcome to myself because I've been away for so long. But as most of you guys know, people that be following me long enough, or people that people that follow me on Snapchat or Instagram or watch my Instagram story, my Snapchat knows that I was in Nigeria for 5 weeks. That's why I was away of YouTube. I couldn't film, and on Instagram too. I was barely posting. So I went to Nigeria for a professional makeup course. So this is why we actually have this video, because I partner with House of Tara to bring you guys this video. I did my training at House of Tara Makeup School, so I partner with them to bring you guys this video. So hopefully you guys are gonna like it. So basically, I went for a professional makeup course, like I said. Normally the professional makeup course is in 2 months, but I didn't have time and I had business to take off back home. I had my company that I want to launch. I have something that I have to do back home, so I couldn't stay for 2 months. So I did the training in 1 month. Basically, I'm gonna give you guys like a sum up of what I thought of how my training went, how I felt about the school, what I like, and all that. I did my training at Lekki, because they have different brands. They have different branches in Lagos, but I did my training at Lekki because I think it was close to where I was staying. So I did my registration on the 14th of January. So because guys, I have a background in makeup, so for me going for a makeup course, I needed to know that I'm going to learn something. I'm going to learn something, basically. That's why I didn't pay before. So I got there. I wanted to go there, see how the school is before I pay, because I was like, because it's quite a lot of money. The traditional makeup course is 300k, which is my currency is more than it's around 500k and more. I think it's a double, basically. So I needed to make sure that I'm going to learn something. And when I first worked in the studio, because they have the makeup school, the school is upstairs and downstairs they have a studio. So when you walk in, the first thing you're going to see, this is like a reception type of box out there, and then first thing you're going to see is the makeup studio where they sell all makeup, all type of makeup, and they also do like makeup for clients over there. And then when you go upstairs, basically you have everything linked to the school, where the course, where we have all the makeup training, where we have the theory and all that. So when we go upstairs toward your right, you're gonna have the door saying train going on. So when you walk in, go straight at your left. At your left, you have the makeup studio, and then when you go in. Toward the corridor, you turn right. I'm not really good with direction, guys. You turn right, yes, and then you're gonna have where we have all the theory. So the first day I had my theory class, guys. It was intense. And then when I told them what I wanted to do and the period of time I had in Nigeria, they told me that basically you're going to do the 2 months in 1 month, like a crash course. And then I knew this already because I called before coming. And then I told me that I will have class they told me that I will have class from 8 a.m. to 5. I was shocked. I was like, and from Monday to Friday I was just like, oh wow, because I thought I would have time to actually film video, because I wanted to do some collaboration with other YouTubers from Nigeria that I've contacted already. I wanted to visit the city, bring you guys vlog, just bring you guys some footage from the country. But when I told me that I have class from 8 to 5, from 9 to 5, just like, Are you guys kidding me? It's just like I'm back to school and just 30-minute break. I was just like, okay, this is gonna be intense. So the first day I had my theory, and then after that I have Gaelic class, and then I had what else did I have that day? I think I just had theory and Gaelic. I think Brown. I think I had Brown training the next day. So basically how the school run is like, we have, when the new classes or new course start every Monday basically, and then if you come maybe next week on Monday, you are going to start the course depending on what you are, if you're going to start maybe next Monday, you're going to go and you're going to have your theory, and then after your theory, I think the theory is 2 days, and then you're going to join, you're going to go straight into the makeup studio. Now in the makeup studio, you're going to have students from different levels. People that do the professional makeup course, people that do the BM just basic, people that do the advanced BM. Yeah, it's BM, ABM, and PM. So BM for basic, ABM for, sorry for the background now, and ABM for advanced basic, and PM for professional makeup course. So I did the PM. So when you join the makeup studio, you're gonna have people from different levels. People that are doing the BM, the ABM, so different classes are taken, and we have sometimes 2 to 3 teachers. Sometimes we have 2 to 3 teachers in the class. It depends on the day, because some have days off and stuff like that. So when a teacher is taking class, people that are on the same level are going to take that class. So maybe if we are 2 or 3 doing the ABM, and that day we have smoky class, or we have natural brow training, or I don't know, vintage makeup, vintage class, or I don't know, avant-garde class, we are going to do that all together. And then after, we're going to have practice. Practice is, it can go on to 2 days or 3, depending which look, how hard it is, and how fast you can pass the class basically. I learned a lot, guys. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I didn't know I would learn that much. I was a bit skeptic about, okay, I have a background in makeup. I've been doing makeup for 3 years. I'm going to learn something. I'm going to get to know new things. I was really scared because it's a lot of money. I didn't want my parents to be disappointed. I didn't want to support myself too. So I put a lot of work. It was stressful for me, not knowing the country, not knowing it was just a lot. Basically, the school have rules that you have to respect and all that. So when you work in when you start your day, you have to set your makeup desk where you're going to be working that day. You have different workstation. So you have to clean your workstation with either a white towel or a tissue roll that you have to put over your workstation to make sure you don't get anything dirty. And then you have to set your makeup table before your teacher comes in, so she doesn't shout at you, doesn't scream at you, and she doesn't get mad at you, and she doesn't send you home. So yeah, because that happened to me a couple of times. So you have to make sure you bring your own model, and then sometimes when you don't have model, sometimes we talk to the teacher, we argue with the teacher, and we use each other. I remember one day none of us had model. Guys, they sent us outside under the sun looking for model. I was like, wow, they are not playing, they don't judge. So they sent us outside basically looking for models. Like, okay, they don't play. I think I snapped that day. You guys saw it. So it was really intense. And I think what was really challenging for me was everything linked to the gele. Everything into Ashoke, Sego, half gele, full gele, Ankara gele. But treatment was easy. I was just like, cause it's not something that we have in my country, and having to embrace that and learn that, it was a lot for me. But I don't give up. You guys know me. I'm really stubborn. When I want something, when I want to learn something, I'm not gonna give up. So now I'm pretty good at it. So I'm gonna post you guys a couple of pictures on my Instagram, because I have a photo shoot I'm planning next week to basically like show you guys what I learned, all different makeup style I learned back in Nigeria. So I'm gonna have a photo shoot next week. I think I'm going to post a couple of pictures on my Instagram, on my beauty Instagram. I'm going to put somewhere up there. So yeah guys, and all the gele part was quite challenging, but I have amazing teacher that was patient enough to show me again and again. Shout out to Miss Anu, shout out to Miss Funi, shout out to Miss D. They were just amazing. They were patient enough, knowing that I'm not Nigerian. They were patient enough with me to show me again and again. Because I remember I used to get to the school at 8 a.m. When I would get to the school, the first thing I would do is, if I have my friend or my colleagues already there, I would say, okay, come, let's just start getting on each other. So when the teacher would come, she would teach you, she would kind of correct us, and we'll do it again and again. So yeah, pretty much in the morning, the first thing you have to do is start gele before you start your class. So when you come in, you set your work table. You start gele, you shoot your teacher, and then you go on. Maybe if you have a new class that day, you take your class. If you're meant to be training that day, you train. So it was a lot, and trust me guys, there's two things, there's a couple of things I'm going to say I really like about the school. Is really serious, guys. They don't play. You actually have an exam at the end. They don't play. They give you a certificate. So it was really, I was thinking it would not be that serious. It would not be that, okay, we are here to learn, but they were really hard with us. And it's good. It's good because you think it's makeup, but we put a lot of money, and me paying for flight ticket and all that, and I had to put work, and even my colleagues that were Nigerian, even they were putting a lot of work, so they were really hard on us, which I think is really nice. The customer care is amazing. The school is clean. They have rules. It's just good to see such structure in Africa, and I can't wait for us to have one like this in my country. So yeah, I had an amazing experience with House of Taha. Before I chose the school, I did a lot of research. I was debating between Zion and House of Taha, but now I think it was the place to be. And it was just, for me, it was a really great experience. I liked the school, I liked the teacher, I made friends, and then yeah, it was really good for me. I think it was not a waste of money. It was not. I'm really happy, and most of you guys notice that my makeup skill has improved so much just in a month, guys, in a month. So I'm really happy about that. So thank you so much for House of Taha. Thank you for allowing me to show this to my people back home. So hopefully they are gonna go and see you guys. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, be a diva, share love only, and I will all catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.